Hey guys, welcome back to Play with My Toys. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. Now, I am not sure if this is going to work out or not, so I am super excited to see and try this out. So, what you'll be needing is something to mix in, something to mix with, a tablespoon, eye drops, bicarbonate soda, shampoo, glue with PVA in it. I'm not sure if this glue has PVA in it, but it's Crayola school glue, scissors, and optional tissues. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so the first step is to pour your glue in. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to pour of this, but glue is hard to squeeze out. But I'm just going to pour a bit of it. Like this. So now I'm just going to pour a tablespoon of my bicarbonate soda in. Okay. Maybe a bit more. Okay, that should be enough. I'm just going to pour that in. That should be enough. And then I'm going to mix it. So let's see what this looks like. There we go. Now, just going to add in my shampoo. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of that too. Okay, and I'm just going to wipe the excess of that off. Okay. Now finally, I'm going to add in my eye drops. So let's put it in. Okay, so 1 drop, 2 drops, there, that should be enough. Mix it slowly and, oh my gosh, I think it's actually working. So it's kind of getting stretchy. Okay, so this is so stretchy. Look how far it can stretch. And when it gets to this kind of consistency where it's kind of sticky to the bowl, but it's really stretchy, you have to take it out onto your hands. So I'm nervous for this. Whoa. So just work it with your hands like this. It's sticky. So I'll show you what it looks like in a sec. So this is super stretchy. Like really stretchy and super cool. So I wonder if I could hold this in my hand. I'm just going to add a little bit more of this before I hold it onto my hands. Okay. So take this off. Okay, just stir it like this, and look, it's super stretchy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye! Guys, so I played with this for a long time, and now it doesn't stick to my hands, as you can see, too much. And you can poke holes in it, and it's super cool. But now what I want to do is actually dye it. So I'm thinking of dyeing it purple. So to dye it purple, we're going to use a couple drops of blue and a couple drops glitter to make it look pretty. So let's get started. So I'm just going to open the pink one first. But that does not look that. Okay, so I add these colors and this turned a bit pink. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to try to make purple. So I'm going to use my fork. I dip it into the blue. I dip it into the red a bit. And then finally put it in here and mix it. So I'll make this purple and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I mixed the red and the blue together and it became this beautiful purple color. It might not look really purple on camera. It looks kind of gray, but in real life it's really purple. And if you can see those little specks, they are glitter. So this looks super pretty and it's so stretchy. I'll show you. Whoa, and it breaks apart. And it's kind of bouncy too, kind of. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's all we have for today. And if you did enjoy this video, then please remember to subscribe for more awesome videos like this, and I'll see you again next time.